My name is Tom O'Neill, and welcome to ISCO Industries. ISCO started here in Louisville, Kentucky in 1962. We started off as a contracting business, and irrigation supply company was our original name. Our founder was a contractor installing irrigation systems into Gulf irrigation, primarily here in the Midwestern region. And over time, as he got more and more experience with high-density polyethylene pipe, it became the material that we focused on. In the mid-70s, we really became a full-fledged distributor of high-density polyethylene pipe fittings, the fusion equipment that goes with it. And that pipe's used in a lot of different applications. It's used in mining and oil and gas, landfills, water and sewer applications, geothermal systems. And so since that start in 1962, we've morphed from a company that really was just focused on Kentucky and the surrounding states to one where we're doing business all over the world now. Exporting is important to ISCO because of the diversification it brings the company. As a company, you've got, there are markets that are sometimes hot. There's markets that are sometimes cold, and by expanding the markets that we sell into, we're able to take advantage of the hotter markets and weather some of the downturn. The other thing that we found is, for our business, is that you learn best practices. It's not just about the opportunity to expand our business globally, but it strengthens our company locally. We're learning things and approaches to our product and applications that it's being used in on the international side that we can potentially bring back to the U.S. and make our company stronger here. The last country we had to check off the box was Brazil. It was one of the more difficult ones for us to figure out how to participate into, but actually through the U.S. Commerce Department's commercial services, we did a trip to Sao Paulo about a year and a half ago, learned a little bit about the market and how to enter the market, and it's helped us to understand how to do business in Brazil. So the commercial service in India has helped us with introductions to potential partners in the marketplace, introductions to different players that have interest in piping products in India. The infrastructure in India is one that gets a lot of press globally. It's inadequate to support the population that they have, so they see a lot of opportunity for expanding, good quality water and clean sanitary systems, and so there's a lot of interest there. We were through the commercial services. They made introductions for us, set up appointments for us, and really introduced us to a lot of the players that were in similar markets to ISCO Industries, but already had a presence within India. We started working with commercial service in Australia probably about 7 years ago now, when we were first exploring that market, and they were very helpful, and once again kind of making introductions for us, pointing us in the right directions, and helping us to shorten our learning curve for the market. And we were able to identify which companies are similar to ISCO that we'd want to sit down and talk with and learn about the market from, and a lot of that learning came from the commercial service group. Well, I think that whenever you're thinking about a new market, there's always a lot of questions, and there's always a lot of pieces to the puzzle that you've got to figure out how to put together. You're never going to enter a market knowing what the whole picture looks like, but certainly we've had a lot of success working with commercial services to help establish what the boundaries of that puzzle look like, and help you get into it and really find your way without as much fear about the markets. And we'd certainly recommend commercial services to others that are looking to sell internationally.